So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search up houses for rent here on Zillow. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up the Zillow application. Once you're here, I want you to go to the top right and select on the filters tab right here, or the filters button. So this is right below where the Wi-Fi signal is and the battery life button is. Simply go ahead and press on the filter icon. Now at the top for me, it actually does have for sale highlighted, but if you wanted to change this over to houses for rent, simply just press on for rent right here, this option in the middle, and it should highlight as blue. And then if you want to change your price, this bar below, you can change your max budget or your minimum budget just by sliding these bars accordingly. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can search up houses for rent here on Zillow. If you go ahead to the bottom, press on search, it'll find your results. Pretty straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.